Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you. Traditional Turkish breakfast, second video. In the first video, I showed you the breakfast of Monday. Let's see the breakfast on Tuesday. This video will prepare breakfast for 50 people. Preparing a reliable salami, finely chopped. Salami may not be traditional, but is a breakfast product found in homes for many years. There are 193 varieties of cheese in Turkey. This is the most classic cheese. Cucumber or tomato is always available in breakfasts. Preparing tomato into medium slices. Green olive. After washing the olives, olive oil and spices, thyme and chili pepper, are added and mixed. Black and green olives will be presented as mixed. There are 17 kinds of olives in our country. At least some kind of sweet breakfast must be available. Strawberry jam can be a kind of jam for dessert. 35 different jams are made in our country. Turkey is the preferred drink. Black tea at breakfast. Juice or coffee is not available in traditional Turkish breakfast. A classic light lentil soup will be prepared for this breakfast. Lentils are added with plenty of water and washed 3 times. Here you have 2 kilograms of red lentils. Washed lentils boiled for 2 hours by adding plenty of water. Need to get the foam formed on the dish. After the lentils are beautifully boiled, add 1 liter of oil to a large saucepan to make soup. Lemon salt being added. "500 grams of flour should be added and mixed completely for 5 minutes. "5 liters of boiling water was added. We see that it is very hot. Adding boiled red lentils. Salt is added and water is added according to consistency. Use the blender, mix the soup well, and continue until smooth. According to request, you can add a little chicken bouillon. Preparing broken bread for soup. Freeze the bread slightly, so it's easy to chop. Cut the bread in small cubes. You can evaluate stale bread in this way. Add chopped bread to the baking tray. Baking at 150 degrees for 10 minutes. Preparing chopped lemon to be added to lentil soup. Fried bread's ready for soup. The crispy bread is delicious in a delicious soup, and your children will love it. Some fried butter to be prepared for the soup. Add butter and liquid sunflower oil to the pan. Add the hot pepper paste and stir. When the pepper paste is fried, it will be very tasty and will improve the taste of the soup. cheese, salami, tomato, green and black olives, strawberry jam, crunchy croquant bread, lentil soup, lemon, butter. Also black tea available. Apart from seeing the idea of a breakfast, we learned how to make the best lentil soup. Very good taste, and served in this way really professional. Thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe video.